have no leggings, so Jesus, place pretty, man.
You know that.
You look dapper there, though.
Yeah.
Nice. Appetizer. So here we have garlic shrimp. We have mashed potato. We have grilled salmon. Right here I have lobster tail with butter. Over here we have
I get my shrimp.
vegetable.
I get my shrimp.
Oh, you don't get your shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, same over here.
You know, grilled shrimp.
Oh. It's dinner time. So. Thank you.
Is that for you? Cheers.
Get your grilled shrimp. The food is good. It really is. The food is so good. You can't have the meal without the vegetable and the red wine. No, yeah, I'm gonna come home tonight. Sunday, I'm really I leave. Cause I'm not seeing car. Wow. Delicious.
What? Got the camera about me?
Today I watch some of your old YouTube videos. This morning I watched some of my old YouTube videos. I laugh bad. You know the good thing about having the YouTube videos is to watch them back and see what growth. Enjoy. Come on, time I used to get up and make breakfast. I was sitting around the table boy with the lavish. I'm belly full. Just need my dessert.
No, I'm not gonna let.
The salmon, just put it on my plate. I love salmon, And you can know say salmon here is not wild caught. It's not. Because the wild yeah, the wild card, yeah. Happy anniversary. Wow. No, me not. You know, you don't want none. That's why I'm not do it. Because you know, you just got to taste it if you even taste it. Ice cream and cake. Happy anniversary. Oh, to me and you. Happy anniversary, baby. Oh. Oh, this is so thoughtful. Wow. Wow. It's melting, delicious. Look at that. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Oh, so good. Having this brownie. The cake is warm. It tastes like brownie. It's so good with the ice cream. And something that's fattening, you know. Wow. I'm so tipsy. Man.
I would go again if you guys. If you guys come down. And I would come down.
So open late.
Yeah. Even though you're there in Jersey, you can actually see. Let me zoom this in. You can see everything over New York. Oh, look there. Look how beautiful it is.
Never to get placement of this wrong. Yep, good. Yep. So you have to stay very balanced. One with the day of all day.
This is so beautiful. I'm gonna stay right here so till the car come. It's cool. How much? It's dark in here. Goes on. I'm not the kind of person who loves to eat out, but I'm telling you, it's the first time since I've been into this country and going out for dinner, I actually enjoy the food. Every single thing is the first ever time. I always complaining that I waste my money and I don't eat the food and all that stuff. Not here. This is my place now, the best.